Hello, welcome back. Today we are fixing a common but frustrating problem when your smartwatch or notification reader doesn't show alerts. The reason: you probably haven't given the app notification access. Let's fix that now, starting with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, but don't worry, I'll cover other Android and iPhones too, so keep watching. Okay, so let's dive in. So you go to settings. This is S22 Ultra. It looks different on your phone, but you go to settings, and in fact this is for all phones, basically for all Android phones. So you go to settings and you search, go here and search special access. On Samsung it says special access. Other phones you search special app access. So here I search special access. So you tap on this special access and you look for notification access. Notification access is this one, notification access. You tap on this and then you toggle on for the app you want, like Galaxy wearable. I don't have any of those anyway, but you look for Galaxy wearable, Zep, or any third-party notification reader. Assuming is for this one. Let me see. So what you do is you confirm. Once you tap it, you confirm the pop-up to allow access. Assuming if I choose this for any reason, this will come up and then you will have to give it access, okay, for it to work. So that's it. Your device now has the permission it needs to send alerts to your watch or wearable. And now for iPhone you go to settings and you go to Bluetooth and make sure your device, example your watch, your band, etc., is connected. Now you go back to settings and you tap notifications and you choose the app you want to share alerts from. You toggle on allow notification and show in lock screen. For Apple Watch users, open the Watch app, notifications, mirror or customize as needed. iPhone handles this a bit differently, but once set up, your Apple Watch or third-party tracker will show notifications instantly. And that's how to fix notification access issues across all smartphones. If this helped your watch or tracker start buzzing again, give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone who had just got a new wearable. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech with Onyi for more smart, easy tech tutorials like this. See you in the next one.